How to add music audio to Canva. First of all, open up a browser that you're comfortable with and on the search bar type in canva.com. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now select your preferred design. Now once you get into this editing piece, now in order to add the audio to your design, you have to navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. From there, click on apps. Here scroll down a bit and here you will have this audio option, click on it. Now you get bunch of music that you can add it in your design. Scroll through it and then choose a one that you prefer. If not, you can search for any audio right here with the help of this search bar. Then select the audio according to your preferences and it will be added in your design. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.